Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1200 Leith Head Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be taking a look at this all-wheel drive 2020 Chevrolet Trax Premier. This Trax comes loaded with safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure alert, forward collision alert, and front and rear park assist. Starting up at the front, we can see we've got this nice blacked out grille, lots of chrome accents, and of course your fog lights. Coming around to the side, we have our color matched mirrors with some black accent trim, color matched door handles, and up top we've got some roof rails which will allow you to expand your cargo space if need be. This Trax is riding on 18-inch alloy wheels and is powered by a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. We do have our rear privacy glass for both your passengers and your cargo, color matched rear spoiler, and the rear windshield wiper blade, which is super handy in these BC winters. A few other notable features is the heated leather seats, moonroof. This SUV is OnStar ready and satellite ready, radio ready as well. Let's hop in and take a look. This Trax does come equipped with factory installed remote start right here on the key fob. You can also set it so that your heated seats will turn on when you do use the remote start. It does have the smart key system. Right here we've got our unlock and our lock buttons, but if your keys are in your pocket or your purse, you don't need to be digging for them. All you got to do is get up close to the vehicle as long as your keys are on your person. Press this button right here and the door will open up for you. Taking a look inside, you can see we've got this nice black leather upholstery. Moving up, we have our power moonroof. And coming around to the back, we actually have quite a bit of room. These are 60/40 fold-down seats to expand your trunk space. And there is also a pull-down center console if you only have 2 passengers and you want some extra cup holders or storage. Opening up the door, one of the first things we see is our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Down here, the driver's seat is a power seat. And right here we have all of our light systems and our interior light dimming. Jumping in and taking a look at the steering wheel, on this side we do have adaptive cruise control, and there's your forward collision alert button that you can turn off or on. Over on this side we have our audio controls and our Bluetooth hands-free calling. This SUV is a push button start. All you do is put your foot on the brake, press the button, and you're ready to go. Up here on the dash, we have our speedometer and our tachometer. It does warn you when the temperature gets to a point where the roads could be icy. You can also use your steering wheel controls to scroll through a little bit of information about the roads, your speed, or your fuel mileage. So if we move on over here to the center console, you can see that we have a really nice touch screen. You've got your audio, phone, Wi-Fi, your general settings. It is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it is OnStar ready. OnStar will give you the navigation system and any roadside help that you may need. Right there, we've got some more audio controls and the home button, which will bring you back to the screen so you can go through and choose your settings. Moving down, we have our climate control, traction control, lane departure alert, and hazard lights. Down here at the very bottom, it's letting us know what our airbags are doing, and you do have the 2 USB plugins, which is super handy, although this is also equipped with Bluetooth, but using these you can charge your phone as you drive. Over here we have our shifter, and the mats are covered in plastic, so they're going to be fresh and pretty much brand new for you. In the very center, we've got 3 cup holders, or 4 if you need it, which can also be used by your back passengers. Moving back, you can see that this really nice top condition leather interior carries throughout, and it's got some light brown stitching just to give it a little bit more classy look. And once again, here is your power moonroof. Your controls are right up here, as well as your interior lighting controls. On the screen here, you have your OnStar button, your SOS, and your phone speaking button. Okay, let's hop around back and take a look at what this SUV can offer you for storage space. So in the back, as we said before, we do have that rear privacy glass, a rear mounted antenna, and over here we have our Trax all-wheel drive badging and our Premier badging over here. Coming on up, if we open up the trunk, we can see that we do have the interior tonneau cover, so you can load your car up with whatever you've been shopping for and nobody can see in. You can also remove that if you like to open up your storage space and fold down the seats if you need to transport longer items. Underneath the really great condition carpeting on the bottom, you've got your spare tire and the tools that you would need if you found yourself in that situation. To close the trunk, we got this handy little handle right here, and it pulls down nice and easy. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video about this 2020 Chevrolet Trax Premier with me. If you have any more questions or would like to take it for a test drive, please feel free to stop in and visit us at 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. You can also check out our website 24/7 to get more information about this or any of our other new and used inventory, and you can send us a message at any time and somebody will get back to you ASAP. I hope everybody's having a great winter season. Drive safe, and we hope to see you soon.